Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this bright pink and orange Smooshy marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors I'm going to be using in the Smooshy today are from the Color Club Whatever Forever collection. This pinky coral is Get It Girl. The brighter orange is Talk to the Hand. And then the lighter orange is First Class Sass, which I'll be using as the base color. Once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex. For the Smooshy marble, today I'm going to be using my Moyu London Crystal Clear stamper, and I'm going to lay out a few large drops of each color. I'm going to be trying to apply this to 2 nails at a time, so having a generous amount of color is good for that. And yeah, if it doesn't work out, I'll go back to slightly more reasonable sized drops and just do 1 nail at a time. But this is an easy way to make a Smooshy marble a little bit quicker by not having to lay out the drop pattern quite as many times. As you saw, I cleaned up some of the flooding around the cuticles before removing the latex, just so that it didn't get even worse all over the place. Now I'm going to go in with a Q-tip for some of the larger spots that are still there, and then I'll be going in for close-up cleanup with a small brush dipped in acetone. I decided to add just a bit of Holo to this design, so I'm going to be adding a layer of China Glaze Fairy Dust. Once I've got that applied, I'll be finishing off, as usual, with Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I think the camera is having a little bit of trouble picking up quite how bright it is, but if you've seen this Whatever Forever collection in person, you can really understand why they call them pastel neons. The camera's making them look a little bit more pastel and a little bit less neon, but overall I really like how it turned out, and I hope you guys did too. Let me know down in the comments what you think. If you like this orange and pink version more, or the bright yellow and green version that I did prior with this collection. I hope you all enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.